Governor Whitmer, we thank you for your time today. Let's talk about the numbers first. The COVID numbers in the state of Michigan were encouraging for many months. Now a slight uptick. What are your thoughts on that?
I wasn't concerned. I look at what's going on in Arizona and Florida and Texas. We see what happened at a bar in East Lansing and what is, in terms of growth of COVID cases. And so it really is incumbent on all of us to do our part.
But taking a look at those other states, Governor, what would you say is markedly different in the state of Michigan?
Well, we got aggressive on the front end. We had growth earlier than those other states, and we had to act. We also were in that moment, didn't have enough PPE nationally. We didn't have a strategic national stockpile that could meet our needs. And so we had to build out all of those pieces. These other states that are growing now should have, hopefully, in that interim time, been doing those things. I don't know if they did or not. I know that they're seeing exponential growth and they've got hospitals that are full, and when that happens, more lives are lost. And so I'm hopeful that they can get it under control, but by being aggressive here in Michigan on procurement, on policy, on keeping people home and safe, we were able to save thousands of lives. We'll never know who amongst us is still here because of how hard we push that curve down, but we've just got to keep it up.
And Governor, we are seeing more cases, but the cases are different. Less morbidity, fewer people dying. That is something to consider as well, isn't it?
It is, and we're in a much better position to track. People understand how serious the disease is, and so people are being smarter as well. I mean, not that they weren't smart before, but we know a lot more about this virus. It still is a novel virus, and you think about the incredible amount of knowledge we have about COVID-19 just from the last 2 months, how much more we could have 2 months from now. People are researching it around the globe. We are learning, we're getting smarter, and our policies will be better, and our treatments will be improved as well. And I think that's the real difference.
Let's talk about the mask for a moment. We just saw Vice President Pence wearing a mask in Texas, also encouraging people to do the same. Is that something that's encouraging for you to see?
It's a very cheap way that really brings down the chance of us communicating COVID-19 between one another if we're both wearing a mask. And so that's what this is. We should not have any politics around that particular issue. And so when Vice President Pence wears a mask, it's important. When Dick Cheney posts a tweet with a picture of him wearing a mask, or Mitt Romney, I think it's important for people to see high-profile Republicans taking this seriously, because so far as politics around masking, it only jeopardizes us all, and so we got to stop politicizing this, and we all got to mask up.
Governor Gretchen Whitmer, thanks for your time today.